Hey everyone, I'm Mario and I am from New Zealand. I'm a builder by trade, or a carpenter, or what we like to call here a tradie. Up until a couple months ago, I never even heard of Forex and I had never even traded in my life. I heard about the course, the Pip and Run strategy, through a mate of mine, and at first I was like super skeptical. I was anxious and I wasn't really that willing to want to spend my hard-earned money on something that I wasn't sure would if it would work out for me, to be completely honest and real. But through some family encouragement and some support, I took a leap of faith and I signed up for the course that Greg runs. And very grateful that Greg's insight, his understanding, his strategy, his knowledge in trading literally caught me on the other side. I've gone from having absolutely no understanding of trading and how it works to being completely, what's the words I want to use, inspired to have that lifestyle that I've always dreamed of, to be able to work from a laptop, to be able to just travel wherever I want in the world, and to have the financial freedom to not actually have to work for the man anymore. Looking through Greg's course and what it's actually teaching me, I won't have to be a tradie any longer. I can actually be a trader. It's a bit of a lifestyle change, be a laptop warrior. But what I love about this course so far is Greg's enthusiasm, his knowledge, his understanding, how fun he makes trading. He laughs about it. He understands it completely. He's knowledgeable. He's constantly there for any questions that you may or may not have. Like, I'll sit there on my laptop, I'm like, oh my god, what does this mean? I just write a message to Greg, boom, answers straight away. He's actually invested in me, just a random dude in New Zealand, to actually become a profitable trader, and not just some rip-off sort of scheme to give him money. He doesn't need it. He absolutely kills it at trading, and he's empowering and teaching me to just kill it as a trader. So this course literally is for anyone. You don't have to be someone who's got a background in trading or spent years and years at university. You can literally be a builder. You can be someone who just works just a normal job, I don't know, at a computer somewhere. And what's on this course and what Greg provides will equip you and develop some skills and strategies to actually make your own money at your own pace without having to work for someone again. Highly recommend the course. Give it a go. And not even give it a go, like equip yourself to it, and Greg will be there with you through the whole process like he was for me. And I'm eternally grateful for for his journey, for his story, for what he has gone through and what he has managed to package and equip for me. It's absolutely life-changing and revelatory. So big shout out to you, Greg. Thanks heaps for pouring in 30 years of experience and knowledge and packaging it in a way that is understandable, easy and simple. This is life-changing for me, and I'm sure it's life-changing for hundreds of other people, and I'm really sincerely grateful. Cheers, man.